looks like some, yeah. Oh, they put it honking and it's just the two of us sitting out here. Isn't that nice? The old 27. Oh, they threw us candy. Oh, wow. Okay, I guess it is recording. I'm so glad you're playing. We're getting our very own private parade here. How about that? And there's the imposers. Wow, is this an old truck or wow?
Yeah, look like that.
Kind of fun way to start a Saturday morning. I love those old cars. They'll all be parked up in Gaylord. You gotta go to Gaylord to the bunch of friendly people, aren't they? Everybody's waving at us. We've got to go to the farmer's market and get some honey. So. Oh, we got it. Gotten away.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I love to look at the old cars. Just not because I'm a car freak. It's just the memories. Oh, wow. Oh, I love the old cars. I remember a lot of those were brand new. How long this Marco Polo is going to let it go. Your plants look really beautiful on there, Tamara. I'm so glad you got those this year. They're perky. Flowers are just so perky. They don't look like they belong to the group that last week.
All
the other ones
I think they're still coming.
Oh, and a Jeep? Are they part of it? I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, they're still coming.
Yeah, they're still coming. Isn't this neat? They all park downtown. You know, I've plenty of car shows before, but it's just so neat.
Boy, there's a bunch of them this year. Wow.
Oh, that's cute. I like that. And the old trucks, you'd like that one, wouldn't you? Put a show off there.
I don't know.
I wonder if there's anybody sitting next to the road down here in town. Got a lot of them.
Yeah. I think we're done.
Are we? Oh, that's part of it. They got the old 27 sign
maybe
on
there's
them.
some more coming here.
Yeah, these are more.
Wow. Got a lot of them this year.
Oh, that's the sheriff.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Well, you